Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Se obi ya Nigeria ni obi ya Ghana ni. Na se ye mmra no otietia ye mmra fa hodie so a. Se nipa na se ye ma mmra no ani ni di. Na sadia ye ka no se eye Nigerian se wo ye memu na ya akra na nya ne tie se eye nra eye nipa bonifuo bi mpo a wam korepu eye abusua bi wam wieye wam sanye bom krono e ka ho a yesusu se suspect eye wam o mache wam no ye Nigeria fo na ye bisa se so eye edian na yaye nhwehan bi ne yaye wo ho ana sadian na kwa ye fa so ka no so ye ka ne sen edisa ye ka na ehye abufuo because mom yen kan say ye nuanom Ghana fo binum so wo Nigeria ye mra no na ye nhye dan hu say eye manfrafo mbeba ye manyim no ye be ma mra ne wo madi ana na se obi eye kwakwo no oba ye manyim no oba be ye adwuma ben na se nipa ne ye edie na Ghana ye mra no eka edifa ho se nipa ne ba enya so okuta eye sika te se 10,000 se waba se oba be business be na ba be ba ye nim se so obi ye manfra ana so obi ye kwakwo no oba be fra ye mu a ye je ne fe so na ye je ne fe so ne ye bisa se so adwuma ben na se oye ukuta kra anya wo $100,000 ane de ko na so emra ebo eye akwakwo ho ban emra ebo omamufuo no ye ho ban efa akwakwo ho ni nyina ne se emra no ye de ye adwuma ye wo ye man ni mu ana wani nyina ne ye nkoma a eda ho eti obetimi a kire wadwen e de afa ho na wobeka ya professor bia obo modena ne eye Nigeria fuo bi edi nkomo a video no ba abonte a professor yi na ogusu a okasa a okire kwan a wo mo ba befa so mo hu se Ghana fuo ekwa se yetete o mo fa hodie so eni to mo ntena se mfa mo se nche o mo demiri fam enu nti oka kwan o ba befa so na Ghana na kasa o ma tanishi ye image se won be ma ye media bi afri Nigeria ba won be o ma dwen se o mo kwa ye prisons authorities back out to say there be yama mu nwura ho no ma publish negative stories no me afa Ghana ho emu sam te sen ganya ne te se CID fo akwakoche eye professor na professor ni din ene Professor Austin Nwagbara benim se ma crucify din ni dia e bia CID fo ene betima boni yie e dia mayen yankwa amane so ne ye maami Juliana DSP Juliana Obeng ono no kasama eye CID aso ya ebo Ghana Police Service DSP yamwajo okay anyway say yalusu no ebo ahoma no so yebehwe na yasan afre no na ye ne no edi nkomo quickly because yenya ne tie se eye professor yi wo mo ache no na University of Ghana eye wo mo Public Affairs Directorate wo mo de eye nkrata ababeto abonten na nkrata no me de beto abonten no ma menkenkan bi na memfa ma quickly. I said the University of Ghana's attention has been drawn to a video circulating on media platforms which features an individual who has been linked to the University of Ghana. Okay. I said beyond the many provocative statements he launches into a tirade against universities in Ghana in general and the University of Ghana in particular, the said professor has been identified as Professor Austin Nwagbara, a Nigerian professor of English who is currently not a member of faculty at the University of Ghana. Our record shows that Nwagbara was a visiting scholar at the Department of English during the 2011-2012 academic year from August 8, 2011 to July 30, 2012. The claims Professor Nwagbara makes in the video relating to the university's sources of income, student fees, etc. are incorrect and do not in any way represent the true facts and figures of the university's income and state of affairs. The University of Ghana dissociates itself from the claims Professor Austin Nwagbara makes in the video, which we find as mischievous and intended to mislead the public and harm the reputation of the university. The public is advised to treat the contents of the said video with the contempt it deserves. Signed, Stella A. Amwa, Director of Public Affairs, University of Ghana. June 18, 2019, and na krata we eba abonten. Na krata we ne ba abonten no yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ sɛ de medi kan ye no. Yɛne DSP Juliana Obing, ɔno no kasa ma CID aso yɛ ɛwɔ Ghana Police Service. Yɛne no ebedi nkɔmmɔ quickly. DSP Yamoajo. DSP Otime kan Yamoajo. Okay, MZ, and what is really happening anyway? Ha, neat 100.9. Yabetwe na yedi DSP. Edin komo inti krata University of Ghana ede ba abonten nyina ne se professor yi ayanya ne TSC ya de aso ya chini. Ne nsam okan ni nyina no yebontungu na nye nsem a no kure bia egwom. DSP Juliana Obing yamwadwo de bandit 100.9 so.
Demene ni bi mejo so.
Ebomu ti say.
Nyame asami ona mo so.
Nyame adomboko de ache papa. Enche kra na good. Enche kra na yete say ye video bi circulate a professor bi enne nipa bi esusu so mo ye Nigeria fo. Onu wo mo edi nkomo. Na professor edi an yate ne so the Professor Austin Nwagbara. Na yanya ne tie se mache no. No kra be na ewo.
Be me na enyimbre mi ntia na mi ntie tie fo na me nka se no kra yache Nigerian English professor bi ni din Professor Augustine Uzoma Wabara na tia yache no enam invitation bia yede ekoma no se womomodin na womra CID headquarters fine video bia akọ viral on social media ai muno na nsam ewuwo mu. Indeed, Professor no eba ye hono enne emas procedure requires no medical case yakino. Minimum case dia CID impending for amano bill, but he was cautioned. A caution kokobo the man no ejina say the circulated on social media CID impending for and so can be a woman ahwe ehu etiemu nsam no bibia etia emra no emra na etia nti ama yegina so abono kokobo no ejina offensive conduct conducive to the breach of peace and nti no mote ya na nyewo mane but ya kanesa no ye fa so aka say Ghana for ema bo entoyem na yenya gidie nkoswa ene yenyanum Nigeria for enkoso ninkita ho aye ne omu ewo no na yaje asam no CID headquarters asam na womu eyemu enhwehwemu eni ntini ebekoso na emrepem no ni bepie mu ebebebia na yaje a yebesan eti asanso ede aba betija.
Munya official complaints bi ewo maso yenti na ma mo che no granting the bill na ananse video na munsaka bi na modi enyina so.
Me said to say them di kan no a video a come viral on social media na dia CID impending for and sa e kan sa video ni bi and then nam so yina so e de tone sa different professor ya medical aboni dia English professor ewo Nigerian as well Nigerian ni we English professor the Professor Augustine Uzoma Wabara.
Okay, much in Ghana ananse Nigeria.
Me pato ya dia ye che no ewo Ghana ha sei.
Na minim se ma ye check se hu se ebia Ghana ha na no wo no na ochira de wo ba bi because University of Ghana the statement abeto abonten se wo mo ho de oba ho emiri bi atwam ba se di oni ho biem eti mo che no wa ha no ye de wa ha.
Bemena I think say ye kro bia amanfrafo bebre ewo mu and Professor ye one of such person ninti medical ka say ade ye che no ewo Ghana ha say but said ye be ya nhwehwemu a ye fiti ase nyewie ya no eho enkonkoto chema ninti no mestre na certain details no ye de ebe tre ho kakra na se de medical akana no ya de a CID impending for asomu anya de ye teto na se ninti ne emrepemu se ye nhwehwemu ne kokodru pempen so a ye gitum na se gidi se enya dia sebi ensem a epie ewo mu no yɛde ba abɔntene a ebe ha adwene a megidi yɛ sɛ mempanimfo ebe ma me ekwan no na ne ebe wo mu ana ne ebe pie yɛn hwehwɛmu no bebe bia no yɛde eba betu dwa nti mesre na for now no yɛn ka sɛ anam no kra sɛ yɛde krata bi ekoye sɛ ɛyɛ papa ya medikan abonidin omra ɛyɛ CID headquarters no mbeboa yɛn hwehwɛmu nyame nta de ne wo ba bedu CID headquarters ma yɛche no ne yɛche no ɛyade a yɛfiti hwehwɛmu ase ma me baby but he's in causing on a offensive conduct conducive to the breach of peace and indeed so yeah hwehwɛmu because so asere sɛ Ghana for enya abotre na asana ba bedu mpanimfo no ma wɔn etu ho anamompa a bɛboa Ghana for ɛne sɛ bi enya no ma wɔn fi ebi fofora ɔmo ne ɛte ɛwɔ krom ha nya.
Okay, but where the wadano ma me sao ɛyade a video no bibi gomu a ɛtrigaaye a ɛma mo de krate kɔma na mo ton sa de frɛ na mo chi na mo grant ni beliana.
Yes, I think I have just said ɛyade a yabɔ ne koko because of the content of video na mpanimfo ɛhwɛ no and nti si ade mpanimfo ɛbɔ ne koko ɛwɔ me hu sɛ ne meka ne twi a ɛbɛ yɛ no pɛpɛpɛ ne nti no me person messing comment na makane ne bro for say he's been cautioned.
Yeah, but na me person yentia say
offensive conduct conducive to the breach of peace. Offensive conduct conducive to the breach of peace. Me who send a message you na makwa church na me yibi afima na me di bi aka ho.
Eche say me metiefo beti ase yi na eche say video no nea prompt mo ana eka mo se de bi mo ntwo krata nkoma papa na mo to nsam frɛ na mo che na mo grant ni bi na kwa se ne nsɛm na all ka no ɛyɛ nsɛm bi a ɛmmoa a ɛbɛ ma asomdwei aba akwa se bibisa
me nka ne se ɛyɛ nsɛm bi a ɛbɛtumi atoto ɛyɛ
asomdwei ase
exactly security ase ana se bɛtoto yɛ asomdwei na yɛ wo mu no ase and internet man panning for home so as we have that then it has security implications no and who be here say better na ye de a friend na waboy na ye bisa nsem bi ya share going forward ye be to me I of course
okay
with the criminal procedure
okay it is a Ghana ni bitie ya na enye se bi a match na grant ni bill no e likely say e bi a modern ba be gina amra na no na emo be ye hwehwemu na hwehwemu no de e be firi mu aba no ene be kire se yemfa ni nyina amra na no ana se bi ade ebo mu na ha adwen enye za
exactly
good
exactly
yeda se eye DSP Juliana Obeng se woni yen edi nkomo
yes me that
good yene eye DSP Juliana Obeng ena yene no edi nkomo no ni nyina ne fa eye video yi a eni yo se wo mugusu a wo mo eye nhwehwemu edi afa ho nti asto se hemfo kra na no wo mo kasa emze ni nyina ne nhwehwemu no e ba be pie nti for now ne de ye ma mo benefit of the doubt na nhwehwemu bia wo be ye de afa ho bia no wo mo aye na ye ho sedia etie ha ye ni 100.9 wo messages ne ba bia de be fa 0277860644 0277860644 no ho now the WhatsApp messages no de be fa na ya hwene akenkan bibia na de amount e wo ni 100.9 na me ka obiem se dwumade ne live e wo Facebook page ne so ye ni 100.9 FM neat 100.9 FM ho na wo de wadwen kire be fa medical bo amane se ne torchlight no ba bia ye de hwe pa ye electoral commission fo aso ye eti na Dr. Sirebo Kweku oye director electoral services ewo electoral commission na no ache so ye hwe ne mu se ye nuanom ato nsa afro mu free amanyuku ahodo mu Peter Kwasi Mensa member NDC national communication team ye hwe ne mu so ba be kan ye ho Abdul Razak ewa Denton constituency in the name of MPP ono so ye hwe se obaba aba be kan ye ho anyway it is one mobile na ye den komo no na wo mo so enuama bi a wo mo ntiase ye no in case of ye limited registration exercise no ho no na ye hu sede tie doc memo akwa aba
ya nyo
empo mu tisen
oboda da room ho ye na mpacha oso
nyame adomo de ache papa electoral commission for nso bia ho ye Ye ma me Jim Bensa chairperson no ho ye. Dr. Asare Bosman nom.
No ye.
Good. Ye de Nyankopon asem. Day 2, ye de to so mienu aba na wie ye fa limited registration exercise no ho. Enoma e ko sen.
Yo me da ase. Ye me adem bibia ekoso kama.
Okay. Sa wo ka se bibia ekoso kama ene sen amanfo eto santene ekokotwuro mudin emre bi ete se na network ne kra na ha adwen na mo yakọ offline services ene de akeka ho ete sen.
Yo me da ase. Edintwa no ye wo 2 ways e dey ye. Ba kunu ye VMS no. VMS ye voter management system. And there was this office beer will be. The horn there said, Honam will carry it out, or quire, wouldn't start to feed the banner you for Niaba. Would you out 2012 and be also? Into Anuno, so the particular man a key now, a key next and a cost to the database work. And they were back also another offline and another BVR, biometric voter registration. And not 2012, if you 2012, Mam go to the Bianu, you see a Modino. And when they are not sure we are near the pen drive, I pick up my particular thing that I share what I'm in system next day and so at export. And at the we send the email we attachment. Now and so the difference and say VMS no they no a common direct and a BVR no they no ultimate machine go be akwa no your pen drive no that chef do na and so no export. And now I say this office in the be use VMS no. Now secretary yes na all devote to access na use BVR no but is here start here no e be yan hu say no your Ghana na say no most cases yan will challenge your connectivity the entrance say be ma backup say in case direct one anya ya e be use BVR no say there and the no an na ina no make say VMS no am wa yan papa into the my no ya BVR no and you use and BVR no so there nam ka say we an kan kire kwa na okoya officer wo hunu say ye su BVR na say VMS and so far and them say BVR no more work than the VMS be gusa ye connectivity so adwuma say binyame bonus be ye so a na revert to the original plan
na ansa na mo be chance na man anticipate hu say ade network na de be ye adwuma pressure be ba so nti sa challenge we be ba.
Because I know the replacement now, then you anti. Yeah, they are, but once a while, bones and I drop and chanamba. And some because but in Nam's experience in there, young for backup, I say plan B, and Van Tour. There's a big improvement. I mean, what is actually happening to the system now, such challenge.
Well, I don't know, my name say more IT for no into me, mama, a year rundown because day 1, day 2. Challenging as yenim said you were more days ahead of us. More a plan B or yes BVR and say one base your offline services no. Na you be near be export to the ako a year VMS and so. But no one who the NT aquabasa how aquaban because na plan A say you base VMS no net my year juma woman hu.
The system no STL4 system as I'm gonna boy me yes I work no. And it's no SDN no munye fully in control to the first no. Nti bibi na no afre no maba but on ba no be so prominent sort anti a technical hitch aba to me waje ehwensim se bia within the next 2 days no betima sort out na ya go back to original program.
Looking at the timeline somebody year juma and they use offline services no a bit delay our processes ni bi mo e be ma no maybe ansha na be a delay kakra na said by using the plan B.
I know by nature of work nangasa no why use machine be able say even BVR no faster because them because I know you offline use no connectivity and the BVR no more faster passing VMS no but those are advantages there because the BMS no boss of pine na
go straight
we see we and sana export
it is say we be export no no delay of time be ma ho say be delays be memo ho ana
different na say BVR no and we no after close of work.
Okay.
No export to. And 2 VMS no. And no boy say we do start to na chese we do the dance we do them na betma wo hu. But BVR no chise we wait and some why match na some 2030. That's the difference. So and no chise we are just other connect no so
net and so answer.
And BVR no we have multiple registration kisi ya export and send you
ansa mo hu
but VMS no do so to so na then go there onya untumi ya ma kwankwa mo aye that's the difference.
Okay, and nothing na bibisa say what to say challenges here wo kan say who say BVR no nipa no betime multiple registration and no mu hu eje mo export to ansa mo export so asa anomalies ni nyina say mu gifrim no mani ade no so mfabre foforo bi
and you go say ntina because of in this office ntina man 21 days your registration beyond 14 days that the 24 say ya you say challenges to me so that we have enough time to prepare for all these things. It is hydrogen.
Okay. Abusia ya papa ya nene ka say Dr. Serebo Akweku or your director electoral services edema electoral commission of Ghana ono na ya twe na babetena ha torchlight ye de ato no so a wanya adaje nso na ono manfo ne babedi nkomo nti wadwe nkyire bi a wo limited registration exercise ya ekoso no mesrew bomodin say wodo messages no obe chance de aba nyame kwa na metena bisa question say nyame kwa na nyansa wo mitirim eti wode beba ye 0277 860644 0277-860644. So our Facebook live, Jumedi na ye live, our Facebook, ye NEAT 100.9 FM, NEAT 100.9 FM. Comment bi a will be an drop of a toko, na yen na yen ken kama, with your touch light, our NEAT 100.9. Ye ne Dr. Serebo Akweku, Director, Electoral Services, our Electoral Commission, as ye, and I ne, ye no, aiding command the touch light, ye de atono sonum. Yensha areas na, and no, about over 1,000.
573.
Okay, well, 1,573 a year electoral areas.
Yes, it's difficult to access and riverine areas. Riverine areas no more. So quite from Prince, no mom to do so. Boma, he's a train to answer. And that's what my corner. He's a who use boat, who use tractor and his animal. No, because of my office now, very difficult to come moment. Here, this I say, you behind boats and then young lady, machine ko hamom.
Oh, okay. Good. Now, and then you say determinants being that you see here for a year 1,573 a year electoral areas and normal being a much.
Yeah, that's it. And no, this was a BR the request by. So when I walk ground on situation, and this was a son of by say, me mahamia more riverine ha, me has a baby probably da ha, me who should be da ha, and you put it all together on your transfer here now. You use a bit more cover. The machines here 300. And they call say you know. Then what you do is say, I'm 21 days, you know. And they be a bar, maybe after 5 days here, they move to the next electoral year. Because no, they will call it to the next size now.
Okay.
So that one machine can cater for at least 4 of them.
Oh, okay. Now, and no, how many days no be do each electoral area?
It depends on that baby our corner and then the size. Because you call be able to say. Maybe I'll consume the marriage manager or to do the Nipaka, I bet my son could be and do 10. And so, with your community, we are now, who Nipa. And so we are this day, I will be here, but we'll call villages in there. Depend on Nipa or how we put my rest on. No, I'm office number of days now, they're more. It will be based 4 days, it will be based 5 days, it will be based according to different, depend on expected number, but
but does it mean some more projected? A number of a year one more a bit my babetro mudin was sa areas and
maybe I'm more projection over. But the whole country projects about 700,000 people.
A bus abroad 700,000 eh?
Only my projection. The projection they wouldn't say as they acquire exams. What to me and your manabros the expectations and everyone say do expectations. Because we out to the way exams was some and community 80%. What to 100% come in a year. And how to me less than 80%, 10% projection on your actuals.
Etia must be a one more a years are selected electoral areas. Nebema be an baby or what you say a nipa be 20 neighbor mudin and unti ye be 4 days. And go say be an 5 bishop baby a woman soon I go to my babetro mudina 4 days in a cop. Now move free wa a better than almost one tomato. The
thing is a announcement or her. And the abasa more area ham away no. Yeah, baby, 4 days for her. And the machine was BVR in them because I need faster. But I could match about even 150 a day. And you can say 1 day or you may put much about 600. But such areas no figures. Maybe say, from your records, because they consider difficult to access areas. Your police station viewer, the whole number on May 25. The whole that police station, total number of people on May 25. It be a 32. nti depending on na ba krum so a ebi dey a cut up is about 850 so nti so obro 850 penny ya chemu ya split into two nti some police station say what police station A and police station B the wala some ebi mo do some more than 1,000 no ebi so the maximum is 25 tin na all the statistics then I hwe ho na dey adwuma
sa
sanity
am margin of error no said ya weekend dey na just say kakra bi o
yes sanity say adwuma na ya che
itemunim
yenimpa
okay mo electoral commission for mo the buses fa nipa bi free baby so mo control mu din ana
beginning no na nka this difficult to access areas na nka ho ndiye zenka sango for the better say be bomb transportation but you know say ebi all the car kwa gosu won because me ready what do you do to the person said then let's go closer to them and the ones that they difficult to access the very no no ebe yi transportation some na film
okay it is a say no say you better as yi electoral commission mon fa bus bi NC baby a say obi nkofo enkonko tro ni di
sanity
sa
enu anu no
na district officers ne so a ye tro din bo ho no eno no baby ni ho a ebi emu wa eno no be ye disadvantage e dia ma nipa bi
say no cause enu ma won tin is difficult to access and distant places enu hu ntia cause you make provision for 1,500 and
it's not just say you better one say you ma identify say areas ni nyina it is say no bi ntimi be ka say baby o one in the district office na emu wa and otim kongo duro ni
the things that you are right goes with responsibility ebu mba kan nko kan fa nko ne bedroom ne ontwe ni it the one say in bedroom ka say ekwa no wa but yes it is wo so to anamon ni bi it yen adwumi de for now they say agwe so to obi a aso say otum ko twe ni but dem kan obu ma o nantu gwa fi akọ down ko ka say ewama no tejina nipa no but obi officer o ye fair bia be hu say we are doing our best
mama Ghana fo atiase yie die nti amoye sa de we sa
no because obi ko akọ ho
yeah
and mo skin injunction na court ka say go ahead and yi adwuma but court and my judgment on that area so the hoya na mbese meko papa because it is still at the court
yeah but for now injunction the court na yi say munye madwuma
but
as to say court no be ma ruling say nipa bi wo baabi and to say nkamoye ne sankamoye ne normal electoral areas no but my hu botai
na mamen kan bibi nchire wo
yeah
muze ye na yakosu kakra BC obi anu na school won fio nso timi ko over replacement of lost ID card electoral commission dey be oboku bi afu ko go pray enu ye can difficult access inaccessible areas nso ngoma for by the office ni ba ye ugo wo mam ye of the gwasi o ko be internet work ye but the electoral commission kwa dey I say dey ko share closer to your house ndiye dey say as much as possible no we are going closer to them but you to me certify obia that one that's anything hu no
okay now yenhwe eye monkrofo a wo mo ye adwuma ewo mia ahodo mo chidi omumu o sheda ma mo ntete yie se wo mbetwe se dwumadie no bibia be toto de
me da se emra ne se obi ani be adwuma bia no ye mfa ne din ne mfoni nkoma political parties se bia party for no wo adwumche bi o ho ana se bia bibi ni ye ni ma betima kan tie yes anema no ndi for now no de me wogidie say party for no ni problem bia because obi an raise objection about any of the names and training so I said mom bia so the edamom and most of them quite go for year so man since 2012 on the biometric no
okay
and we call the issue nipa kutu abinti ama ya fa obi ka say the cream of the cream the best of the best ndi me wogidie say so far you started apart from connectivity no obi an for campaign bia ma bia ho bia okay challenge bia bia na VMS na nya challenge no apart from that nya problem bia
ma yenyi nchiremu wa ha efa eye de trigger ye ntiri a na se ye no electoral officers yete se mo se eye mfidie anake ye de beko ye electoral areas no se mfidie no se ye ku siesie ye ka se ye nyina de sika kwa ku siesie a ne bo ebe ye dene meanwhile no so eye ahead of eye 2020 no mo mfidie bi a mo de beba no se mfidie no se ye se ye procure se mfidie no foforo no kra na eno no sika sem no wo fom
but me mbese me twa na enu nam ka se enu ye issue na ye discuss wo court no nti me se me ko ho no
nti ho de on person be ko nti me fe no nto kwansa
because the court my judgment wie na fe ye ka wa sama na ka wan we afa akwese bia me defend commission stand no and the court na se bia nti once I walk court na court nka wa sama ne ye makwa na enwe
all right obetwe na eye amanyoku akese mienu NDC ne MPP fui registration exercise biya ne de ya me hu registration exercise a aye din wo krom oman mu da nukure ne se mani fi ya me chance se media manyo se machi registration exercise biya koso a yeti koeka kwan ben so na se obi woni nipa no enya adwen se simesi wei o se fata se so obeturo ni de na se wo ye badansa na ye bekọ ho no ma ye nhwe kwan na oye eligible se so ko gina o se me ko turo mi de
me da se emra afa de ntwan ye CI 91 nde no cheche na me bia afa de ntwere ho eno mo ye no I think 2012
yeah 91
ndi zamra no se ansa betuma ka se ntwodi no na o ye ganani uyo bia ye ko onye mfedu nwotwe uyo bia wote sa abro no na boso twodi wo ho no uyo bia wadwum da ho na uyo bi so a emre bia nsi okwan emre bia nsi okwan ma minchire mu se Ghana mre kire se sa wo ye boni bia fa abato ho na de kokko de ko bua wo fa wo 5 years ansa na wotumi atwere wodi ndi enu te ka bia emre si no kwan no it is woni sa amre wo mi abidia next day once wo mfedu woche wo ye Ghanaian na woti sa abro no ho na wadwum da ho no so enu next day wotumi ko twere wodi man yeye nemum se me kwa ko twere me din na bia me wo susu bi se osima si wo twere din yeye a emra ne se ye wo bi se fan challenge form nti obaji sa form no na wontumi twere so ye ni officer no emrasi officer no ntwere ma
okay
officer no ba fill the form na ma mo wa kire mi se bi se ni se nti se mka sa bia wo nyam fedu nwotwe wadwum na wo ne ade nti wo twodi na yeye emra ma o kwan se physically ko so bi mu se wo twodi na yeye
okay
it is here to go mbodi so akura na afen wo wi ampo na so ko so ko twini din a de bit my answer mpacho minim se bia wo nu fedu nwotwe no o so madu fedu nwotwe no o se ne yamam challenge form na men challenge no na wa fill form no o firi sa form no wi a ye mama nba ko na twini din na mom na ID card no ye mfa ma no na ye wo district registration review committee DRRC omuna ebedi asem no na sa district registration review committee no district police commander ho no or ye member district director of education or district no or ye member traditional ruler ahimfu no ho no mbeyin pa ba ko electoral commission officer ho no or ye member or say secretary and na political party no ho bia no bia beyin ni pa ba ko emra ne se so mo trase a o mo otumi di district court o mo tumi supina obi asa mo tumi ye she obi so omra mo di adase emra na sandi a ma district commander ebe am no se alberto bia abaso me emra nte baso bi bu mra so a police no ho sango from twom di fufo dodo na ye o mo ko school anaso mo school enti district education wo mu no te baso bi obi oni any records bi as okay yen ko no school yen ko gene records mra district education otimma elder Krono so amoso no ne ewura ente se ohini bi ho no womra inkata seminar aso e electoral commission sem ente so member secretary afa ye nu aduano na political party fure be aduano no de se political party so mra no so members ni bi ntomi na atrase ne omadi ebobo wo se osimasin emfata so betwe ni din wama wo gina so wo mo gina so no wi a no so so me buru sa inom na se bia me Ghana ni ma adwum da ho gina adekwa nte so won qualify no on so akana anchem afi na committee no ebisebisa question na me nka gem say
yeah
committee no ahia apart from electoral commission ni no omu bia tumi omtumi lieutenant as chairperson to committee no ahia no mo che say ehia no osuasu masu no nko o meje chairperson na ko say tribunal chairman ndo mu dia asem ni na wi a ese ye kan ya adwumbo mu no ehun say won fata say wotwe wodi emfa card mo e be say card no next day wodi na we no I know them void ese ye kan asem ni na wi na ehun say o fata say wotwe wodi na do card amount emra ne kire se bu ye bua asem no na sa go fo menu no wa anya wo de no wo be petition district registration review officer ono ye high court and also supervising high court judge awo sa area ho no na ndi na afina ko court sem na ndi se wa ko se omu ya asem no mfi se omu ambu ne ye ana se ebia me omu so me ye discover me hu se me qualified na no so omu abu asem no memfa ya adwun ko back to 1996
yeah
e wa shantage wo I think Aguna area ebisi sa ye ma judgment no ne ba ko no court the court no delay in this april no ye to aba no 1980 omo no man to first selection bi because na nipa kwan say we qualify na person contest so ndi oma ndi omo delay ma ye to general election we ma court ma order judgment we ansa na nipa kwan no wa ma ya to saba no ndi osam sana process neti
okay na eno no nipa me na me de me baba na me so wanya 18 years obi gina won say me ba ni nya 18 years when they so approve
wa wo so wanya 18 years no so na wo kasa wunya nti una nti the only evidence don't go and disturb obiara
okay
ndi wo say so smas obi o ma most cases no o kasa onye qualify we ansa na for kuchi na copy evidence but any them can say wo be evidence are fine but here him say who evidence there na je ba ko onye gana ni a utumi challenge no onye 18 years utumi challenge no say bi adwum na ho a utumi challenge no one this locality na utumi challenge we limited registration ndi because man say bi ba ko atwe ni dada ono sa betwe o sa beso betwe ndi enso utumi challenge no
okay na eno ache no so ma me find out say nipa is nipa ne ba be waste your time there say na mre na say get bibi shem say masa ko challenge obi nso na yehu say wo waste o ma mu ni nyina da age a say ka mra ni wudi e ja wo waste your time
but say ni yesu ne yepe no because wo de mra ne chinchina so a mbeko ni so obi kwa qualify a wonka
because me te say electoral area back na say office back a wo mo true die no baabi o ho ye say nipa 10 na atwero mu din emu 7 na other party you gina wa challenge say wo mu nyina nri
na me hwe ko one this is the data me and so no nipa 18 ya challenge wo me nkai do ma twom ni mu nipa 18 ene de ho but me say ni yeye me nyina hwehwe
okay
nti say wo fi say wo nye kra but no ye better say wo ba budile in time ni ya hu ni kra wo me sin say ebe kan okasa bo ahye omu na maybe am kasa Ghana advantage ye woni say obi anya kwan express na view obi anya kwan e kana adwene eno nti na Ghana no election ado na mfa gidigidi ma no enti sabe o mpensa ndo ko na asem kan kwasa sem pa ye man kwa man nka ye hwehwem
okay na aya district registration review committee no ebere ben no mo wose mo de be ye adwuma after aya more days 21 days but yes we true di
this year no you say you start here after 4 days no you be train na mo you know tie you mo manual ho you train na mo kwa ma fa say di assembly na na ni aso mo yin high court judge be so mo yin say o ko no o ko ye
district BM
district BM no because ya the pen say who ye party ni kwa na ko ho a yen so yin dia o de na ko ye adwuma ntenya unko kasa bia me ye party A ni na party B ni nti ba ko na ba no free party ko na ba na o so hwe asem no on its merit now the ma judgment it almost so yin na di na sana o ma kwa ye na je one say what boss say makwa de mrebe yadwuma that for present case now you look at the case on its merit na mu na mal come together na mama judgment no eti I again say after first week no na o ma ehun say we mu na anya challenge na start city enti ana o mu wie 21 days na the next 3 days or something to clear because any time it me and their cost in the course of it to master almost it
one more sitting there just move any registration the move concurrently exactly. All right ebusian wasogu so with your torchlight we need 100.9 and the torchlight no baby e dey ahwe ye electoral commission so ye wani tua limited registration exercise e course we dey na won ti ase bo ho enu nti e ba ne sa na amanyofo na bade na eye womo ankasa womo wo form omo ye adwuma no na e say ye the torch no to womo so na ye mfa nto omani na mom ye de to omo so na de ahwe kwam na bibi ni a ye hu ye a womo de torchlight na kire yen na ye hu eye sa de kroniti ene ye ne eye Dr. Serebo Kwaku Dr. Serebo Kwaku sabe anye nipa hunu bia na mom oye director electoral services wo ye electoral commission so ye ono na na ye tu ye tu ne to ase akonwa ye de na aba besi here anyame adom oboa ya o kire no amamadi amaye wadwe nkyerɛ baby ade be fa 0277 860644 0277 860644 when I do WhatsApp messages and what they be fa and answer ye Facebook live and so wo ko ho an drop a comment no ye adwenkyerɛ bi awo and answer bibi apese obi sa wonte ase no wo ko challenge ben na wunya ye bomode say what they be fa ye WhatsApp no so ye Facebook live no so neat 100.9 FM neat 100.9 FM na dia fa woni ahwe ne akenkan bibia ne dia ma we neat 100.9 so yegu so aye ne Dr. Serebo Kwaku edin komo but Peter Kwasi Mensa ewa ha oye member NDC National Communication Team Peter ewa ha ena yewo eye Frida Sapon Ajeman ono so free Adentine constituency no so ejina ewo MPP mu Frida enso ewa ha proba omo boy so far limited registration exercise no womudu omanidi e kire de no mahu de no monte ase womo maye hu na ye hu se de tie Ejiri se mabiem se amanyokuo bia temiyi ni nipa kugina ho ibado do sen no mo de beko
yo ai sente bia no epeze party bia de nipa ba komba na unse ye wo bebi etwedi na hono sha ndi betu ne bia unse most of them no machines no were down inside them mabaha say no but almost at the processes no outside obedu a ebe ye interview ni afede with their friend from 1A the one party betu no bia gina ho na then ho de unse kasa mo fan pe na dem mo nkum ndi bebi activity bia obi no betu de obi akọ but also man party no man letter say omu na achisu we empese be wi aso no na bia party na ko take decision bi was ye ni no ndi pese man na mpese me sanka issue about proof of legibility
yeah
you didn't can say hwan mo na qualify but mna say yes I do anu ka say we Ghana ni anu wawie o say we the evidence proof say we Ghana ni na we qualify nti mna say o say we the passport obi a fabra driver's license obi a fabra they say ya national identification wo card dem bia fabra
eye adwuma
okay obi so mana ebia na before 2012 no training din but the baba medical 2012 be onyan training din safa old ID card no fabra na so ni we mu bia so dia ene penkofo mienu a ma twem din no modi ada sese una o ye o qualify na the hono ba feel issue be fa na guarantee form na hono mpeza obi ati asese
eno no hwan na be feel guarantee form
wa oba no ye o pesa o ju from na ba ye ba pesa feel ma ye ba
okay
ba be chechi moti asese za no wudi nse se sa ni pa ko ogina ho no wuni ni so ye Ghana ni wa ye mfidu du watwe se mra kwa mo qualify
all right
the mienu na ma endorse it was oti asese wonya za ni ayina and the take ni wi a echeche bia no evidence ba se ni pa ko no won qualify ana obadada ya na ewo mrem se o ma wrong information a so obumra so na do efa so ndi sanity ana mra so aka biem se nipa ba ko untumi guarantee for more than 5 people nti menu ye kwehia e bia ma ABCD E obisi dia ye CF in that don't say the same people but untumi guarantee for more than 5 people na misi untumi guarantee for more than 5 people because guarantee contractors or
eti wo ye guarantor wa guarantee aburo so a nipa num
sanity
okay na wo guarantor na de na be hwe wo ho ansa wetima guarantee
asa wo so ye obi a wa register ndukura wo ID card unye za wo wa register dia next we Ghana ni until once you bring your ID card now it was a valid one you are allowed to guarantee for the person
okay
but then forms no but indicate baby a what say be nkezi ya hwe wa ibehu
de nyina no ewo so na ekobasa obehwe yi na registration ye point bi obehwe na nipa bi gu car ba gomo wo nyina eba mra bi si hu kan na
mra si gu but then also put a lot of suspicion and stress into you say wouldn't put baba mfani mewura ho because ne ba ye enuan mu MPP na ndisi omwa ba yo so be wi aso na dan ntoko wo mu ntem te say wotum bo obi ba mbaso nkofo no magina ye center ho wani ehunu anyetan
into betima bo bi so beturo ni din
ba
ma yen wadwen se wo ba ko high buses no mo bonyom na particle set tar buses in enim and then next say be
and one of munis na media obi say eze bi mu kwa eye mo mo refreshment car mu ni ma o ma na yo mu so no mata ba ka chire o ma mu ebi ntumi ma refreshment o ka ebi so ntumi ferment no za kwa challenge
and no za kwa challenge ya se mo amanyo ko fo wa ma na yo we ye betro di ni bewie no ubehun se ye be ka se minus Dr. Ferijan na Dr. Ferijan publish minus pa wo ye daily simu se monhwe nkwada totofi wo mututu anofo ano wo mudi aba ye voter register mu se wo manya 18 years no bi sa se hwan no na this half we buy and na mo ana mu no bi
ma min ka se min che se min be se me bo district no region di
okay
na mo region be for 2016 preparatory time no be me fans na election ana me call one area be to me call me hwe nkoda mo season line so a me ma dwum de minim kro no kura o but me call monitor me koto dem we do manya 16 years ni 18 years ni because na me frɛ akora ba go say wonyam to me yes me ya na NDC na people ma begina me nche I never knew them
okay
into one na me say dey question me bisa akora na me so me hwɛ na wonya 18 years o say o baby o fi no munyi ntem ya ye nyini ntem
sir
and now the issue is that both parties in me now
one nyina na e ka say
me come on to because if the two of them now ma me say ya na me say we some no mfukro mo o mo so mo munyi ntem
so mo munyi ntem Wamu ya ngwegwe no wenye 18 years
ba. Omu wie so a oye ye kan bo wie no. Bo so mo asbe ba out abaka say yakore say foreigners, yakore say minors na de. Be me nyin say electoral commission bi abeko krum say okofa betwom de.
Yeah.
Omo ana be ye. Omu wie so a om da so do na betu so. But adwuma no yes ye cross yakofa no no.
Eya semo. Eti ana mo ona samanyoko fo no atwa so ntonto sa na etemosen.
Masa de bia ma me maso kan say eye nyame adwuma ne yeye say you di omachikwa na ngobi anya adwuma no but first one kasa clear your conscience na clear conscience a woni yankopon tem afodie ne ho ba bia ndi da wo ye no wo ye de fata Ghana de ye shebra she onsem biara wo bo Ghana wo ye clear say menye boni bia na ende no watu adwuma da na ende mimituwe minim say we am ebuka me aso me feel ko bi di matem of studio so by a part of your adwuma no who dan say who say who ye the fata who the fata there and then forget about what people say because na you be na pe wasem and no am kan ba bibio me say ya Ghana for yam for adwuma say Argentina tem bia no aban bi wo power na aban no defend electoral commission the same aban na fi power pe no obo electoral commission against anya biara tam no more power no omni ye di bia na sesen ubi san omni di bia ye edi sana na ko adwuma no sana ete and am say no suma am ye more important so because I say wo din an ye bo nti sana ete the what is there you work for your conscience na hu say the ye no ye boni bia wo forget about what people say once you clear your conscience
good waso gusu a wutie ni 100.9 Dr. Seriboko Ekuni egusu ani leading commander electoral services electoral commission NDC for na ema munya adwembe se munya 1573 electoral areas na because ho IPAC nkomodi e ba ya wo mo kan ya na no ne ti amonan so na trigger mo se da bi ade di mo ke to asomiti se mo ye
me mfa credit mo one podcast but be Ghana for bebre ka say if there's a way out to bit my fan na dem bi aboa na mu say dey go so kan no na yem first intention say nke ye de ka baboa be you say wo de kan ko so a no ba ko nye ready what happens. So yeah, once the select will be difficult to assess areas. Because of course some of the Afram Prince areas now, who do can go sa area hono. It is then why don't you say organize be a one way closer to the people. It is NDC kind, other party for kind, other Ghanaians kind, they put doing it together. It was okay. And I was who you be said, don't trust and wouldn't say Nechiachia. And the more come out some be the German Junior Papa. Why won't you adopt it?
Okay.
Exactly.
Plan B say na mo be use aye BVR right biometric voter registration na mo dey aye offline services no. Eno na manyoko for no mo ya we.
Uza they can ya gazette. And obia no obaka jam say wonim say registration wono e be use both BVR and VMS. The BVR be aye offline. And the VMS be also here online. And nobody can say onya we say be use two approaches. And they are gazette so the one who gets it there a law. And the police or police station and some of the political parties, at the district level, at the regional level, and at the national level.
Okay.
That is how it is.
Okay. Now, say VMS no nti be adwuma bere ban.
Oh, empire bonus be adwuma na me mpeza me committee me ho. If say afidie ne yeka ho asem. Nti me mpeza me ka say be adwuma china na achina ye betumi ene ya me be ya no information me say obi ango to it na it's now working but ebedu chena bi akwa defense on the mpeza me committee me ho. Ba me wo mu wa dey say ya cha we dem first week no and solve your problems 2 weeks aka no na abe VMS so but still no BVR no better ho standby unya problem biara no wakofa.
Okay. Aya na ye wa ba dwumako bi te say National Information Technology Agency omo ya dwumako bi a yem so nko mo provide services pa de ma eye mo abanwuma ahodo e fa eye internet system ho a aya na bibi say no nti na ma mo resort to our services na mo kwa fa bibia afi mo be ye na the problem e de abremo because CSSPS ye kai he ya na ye kai ye NITA National Information Technology Agency no mo esu omomo etimi save the situation wa mo sha ase na and nti na mo nye ne sa
on say ye adwuma no ye a lot of work on the net at the same time as you can say a lot of consideration here na me person but to get here and we are doing a lot of consideration so you know connectivity no if VSAT but we want to go to other telcos for support now the vet na because you finalize it then because we GDS say enche bia e be finalize issue no but then because the most important thing is that obi o qualify bia no whether VMS or BVR the person be registered, the person gets the ID card, immediately he's registered. The moment na adwuma ba ye kasa ma yen. Say yen to issue VMS no issue BVR na. It means that no chida train me you close registration in every way in a daily business na what my export. Abran ko issue VMS open ya wo vie. The adwuma na ba so but obi a wo ko train there and no need it. Moreover when BVR so faster as in VMS no.
It is say in a day BVR in year you may be to register nipa do say.
Ejina nipa na work type so no fastness so. Because time omde technology buy no. Sabe na mo central region. Omom de buy say ombe is around 95 to 100. Na guy bi wa abroad boy bi abroad nkwa otumi say 200. They catch you no they didn't believe it. Because they pilot they drove all the way to abroad nkwa. Ombe hwe sa kwa na yadwuma no so ampa. So any the gene pa kwa fastness so. It they now could the same machine. Me met my 80, obviously 200, depending on how fast the person is. To no matter what they say, more who's a more fast no, that matter maybe a population here high. Now more more slow no, that what to be a population here low.
Now and no much assessment in himself for
training.
Okay,
training
excellent. Okay, good.
And now more use so mean as more use so more data. And your new hands. Or more data entry phone there. 100% obi use machine than the obi capability.
Okay. A likely say extension bebem.
Oh, for now I mean yes afini ashas here. And I mean yes sure say you do baby extension say you 21 days we e bin see that. Maximum yakọ 14 days. Just yakọ 21 days. Mo gide say by the time I do first 2 weeks gonna be mpana vini panonko. Etime time a referendum A1 no. Obi ko tum go the whole day no reason baba ko. Nti ama obi anyi na dwen say wo twen na yes station ko twen din 21 days no because depending on the circumstance no e be after 18 days ni pombo mpa why do we want to extend it into the situation that be kire bam de moji dey say 21 days that man no but e be do on nan bokwa na atwom di awe dada nti na there will be no need for extension.
Okay. Yebesa tro yedin fofra na san ya to about 2020.
Sana commission in eti. So bibia ko yi a they trading for only two about for only this one.
District level elections and referendum
because the chairperson can say you see a technology no essence. Is that one some of the challenges you know because of this machine. Even getting some of the parts could buy a challenge because production no. Some of the challenge you can do machine when only you can na some kind of machine now if say cannibalization I would be also go to way there e be say we say there the technology na use this yan no the time atwam.
Okay, internet just say where ehun hia kwa say baby say and the voter transfers and yes this election some transfer because you be transfer
mu mienu there were transfer for nomination and the transfer for voting and the emrane say no less than 42 days to nomination no also be or transfer no or contest no man kwama here and not less than 42 days to election so no obi a person okoto abaso man kwama here until transfer yen mienu before nomination no 42 days na before elections 42 days until be
until idea because okay good it na just obi wo baby mimi say baby ametoma bade etie bi am transfer it na eno no be bie sa akwan na de ato ho and no ma hu data na
manfa program now
timetable no yeah because what the timetable be about
minim what you have because you ba ko buy and a court some buy nti the court buy amaya move
Oh, okay.
10 days
okay.
ahead, yes.
Ah, okay. Then it is said, "I'm one and one and I'm going to."
But transfer them because over transfer now. If you say a minimum or a press conference,
yeah,
and the woman finalize the date for election, no. But the amount of date now, what kind for the 2 days backwards from that they go in on the transfer.
Okay.
You need to do it no less than for the 2 days, and then not only for the 2 days in the sense that you need time to prepare the registers, the BVDs, and what have you. And you need not less than 42 days. What my son man. Take us a year transfer now. Copy. It is because so be a training dinner. I can 1 week and so no do out to me training. Where's now you can plan because to be there. When are you going to print the registers? That is here. There should be a cut-off date. So by when you prepare registers, no what my BVD so I did this about to channel.
Yeah.
I think that covered. In no less than 42 days, you can do transfers, you can do registration.
Okay, but if you didn't work on an amokase problem about them, you bet him they are two abanity.
BVD no.
Well,
yes.
Okay, good. That should be Ghana. You bet me about say every day. Well, sorry, I saw coach Rudy and we bet me aqua coach.
So question when party for 100% come papa. It is in the law. But party for say they want to be there when you are registering them. Because we are on a daily basis there, it means also on your full-time agents.
Say no, what me had to say, Maranakra woman that.
A woman?
Senanka every day. Because Supreme Court ruling.
Continue the session a woman. But any party for agree on the modalities. Any party for nature say. So because every day be able to say, then there's also many permanent workers.
There's a party for now more preventers are the way. And now I boo a woman Kagumusano.
No,
there be on a Subamano. No.
And
Peter Quasimen, some moment transit. Frida, Beduaconia, moment transit. Now,
and they left to us. It's
a continuous registration, idiot. Now, to me. Now, more part of one on best one mom grown for making a hunting. And so you who need.
And is you may hold the beer, but to me, there's a party for better hold the beer, and they have to pay them.
And Nagamani bit you, Amaka. Anyway, how you need 100.9? You made the hours to go with a torchlight. Meeting the McJerry or Sayajiman, and a torchlight and meaning producers at Aroma. Yabomodia, yet the Dr. Siribo Kweku, or your director, electoral services, our electoral commissioner, so you're not there, you know, a ding common. Mammy messages be ahead. Where's the McJerry? Good evening. Me pacho bibisa se, yanoma ye kada yira, from Ben Sunny Befaso, na yensu yetimi, aye dear. We a messenger ubi a bisa medasem. Mr. Cadifin Samum, Adwajiri. Also, good evening, McJerry. To you and what you was saying, also, good evening to you, the future MP. I am Papa MP, the made deep papa. And you agree. Also, Madam G. Mensa, and then Crawford. In fact, when approach our limited registration exercise, in fact, they are the laziest way. How can they project 700,000 while years back, the same electoral commission, now one more a project over a year, a million. Michiama Koliba Kebwa from Plain South, Obabe MP, and Philbert Salom Fume. In some Adwajiri constituency, mystic a DNA. I'm Ponsan Prophet if we choke. Also, good evening, McJerry Sayajiman. Mammy can't just say Nigerians in criminals in this country. And some of them are doing well. A big yeah, Juma power, more be Juma, and Vava and Crowfobi. So we have to be very careful. And to say, yeah, allow a year bad nuts and Baba say, yeah, and cut a papebi. And I will plead with our security personnel so be tighten up a year normal protecting the good citizens of this country. Michia aye Mr. Fred Anson, former chair GRA, and honorable Kojo Ponkroma minister for information. We am Bonsa Prof. We say McJerry Sadman, good evening. Within the Ben free Kwabena Welder Junction. Also, please, I learned, said Dr. Ferry Giant, Nene Breno. If you find yourself in a double registration, you are not eligible to vote until 5 years. May I ask, say Samrano Edaso Wana anti Wadaroma Bajana with the Eguho Amami. And also, me person Bibisa say and also, may I ask if the fellow can do new registration? Okay, be on your legible no, as I'm name so per se, or saying be saying. What's a good evening, my in-law, Dr. Siribo Kweku. I had issues about the limited registration, but your explanations has given me a relief. Me want Tommy. Thank you so much for the good work. I will get the abo my Ghana. No Ukrainian McJerry. Nyankopɔn nhyira because ne wa mama te no ma bi ase pa ne Dr. Serboa what the Bible said the sky is the limit for you. Isaac James Alote or the free Abokobi and Ebayi. What's a good evening, Mark? Bedeni Abdullah Zuga Sumaila. I'm the free Dunkwa offend. My questions in here. What measures have been taken to include citizens knowingly or unknowingly have been removed from the voters register due to double registration in the past? Okay, be here clarification. I deal with MCG which ye mammy pansa mako union. So where's the place? Good evening. Maybe sir, I want to ask as Mr. Serbo that I registered. No, I'm said I watch on my main to meet my try a kind year. My corrections be man. Or say I'm so I register a year 2012 and my voter's ID has defaced and has totally spoiled. Just a year. No much year. And you, maybe the other half of the MSU 2012 year in register. But this is the situation whereby I'm in Accra and I cannot go back to Takrade. So please, can I register for a new voter's ID card? No, you can't register. No, mum. Say ID card and I'll be to ya sikabina ya fufro near the Amaba Cheneza. Good. ATM say
working a general minuto. ID card name multiple registration.
Multiple registration.
And some the exceptions list come home.
Okay.
Let me check it.
And the
but I'm gonna say why our card? O card name I say a tree. And as I say, umfoni na wumukabia wompea. I'm gonna say Boko Ghana Commercial Bank no could 5 series. Utwebia obakwa with this it now raise no underlined this it now raise no put question now no kwa na new card in the amount
and then centralized
centralized
say bia nipa no we fit takrade wa ba akra nti na ko bowura yisia electoral commission
say ubie musu na wahwe possible abuse so because em pese e be wi aso now ni ba kwa obo na so akofa for the abro for now they say ko wi akocho di na your card. Premier bar, you can easily trace you to your house in the
okay.
Now, issue about multiple registration. Yeah, in as I said, your offense. In the BOI multiple registration, be no technically because of the prison. As I say, in the wood, they will rather take away from you. And now your multiple registration, per system now quarantine. A system that you.
And your one,
the one I say, oh, mom, go so much more dinner. I can assure you, that's
a multiple be more.
The moment we export your part, the machine who's a fingerprint.
Yeah.
Especially in man. Or say that time to secondary school. And then my bomity, my aim is saying new
face.
The best thing is over train. Exhibition Chabokwa, a bayer Zanda Okanamon. Nemokas be open for now could you pet fingerprints in the assistant you wouldn't necessarily. The machine is still not to quarantine. Exception. Multiple, but some people now think about what you can do.
Okay, near two.
It is the one that the name.
I want to start that I'm on
your emotion how to home they are, and then now boy. And I feel being like you're saying, definitely. I feel being it's multiple session, no, I issue no. To wow, what you didn't be no. You know what some of the Kansas, yeah. But question is, we got Naira. I'm going to call for. Who be some questions about what transfer? Why could transfer? The mama come why you transfer. I know they won't call baby or children.
Okay.
Who new place one na yeah transfer the amount.
All right.
If you call that either why could transfer, don't go and do another registration. Because yes, you are committing an offense. But a jail. Because our power was 2016.
Okay.
Judge be there pa and they would do one when you 2 man or hand them on.
Okay. Now
baby say liberal because say go and sin no more. But it depends on but against the law.
Okay, now no a quarantine. We're quarantine for how many years? Almost 5 years.
For now, because it is the system. Don't try to be a system will not allow. The kids maybe a change new race and answer.
And TB as a that be a see about you info for the end when you are quite.
The machine not a quarantine to me to me also.
Okay.
And we got exceptions list.
Yeah.
And that is the challenge with the BVR. You know, put the name guys. Bakundo do sort to machine aka say unche wudi but nipa was so do ni ko ni mu watwe wudi a wa wu se una baby via no but watwe onyo card no but only say export we answer machine aka say why multiple
registration e do akọ
no
eti ebedu anu bia na woni wo ba
exhibition time no be kona within the exhibition na your main race and that
okay
and there were multiple lists or more system no na multiple lists that in say uche odin wo borga uche odin wo hamle uche odin wo cape coast time na konfoni na utwa no matter the number of years na ho that's that yourself uche odin wo sa brave sa date way sa time way and was actually be more has sa brave sa time no and the other be do much in konfoni ni na wo and no say education man konfoni as say you can cheat me and you but you cannot choose your fingerprints.
Okay.
The system will find you.
Abusia where dey am
exception dey na make no. And no so we should be VR no.
Yeah.
Na me dey make say e wie nipa so e wie nipa. Na say it say na if no more that problem no. The system has been built in such a way say who the machine go to fie after 6 uchu the system now will put you on exceptions list. Obi you dey for the system.
After 6.
Yes.
And we will be in van question if fie so kwa go
system who the because there be a normal date and time. It is outside the date in Africa now. System will the system will put on exception. So the time no so the system is we do go make exhibition tire check we bon say there's exceptions list.
Okay.
Nti na go phone now no machine say time no mtwe mu di no was
yeah papa. Yes. Yeah do akwa kwese be na quarantine. Say be ye beja on ya asem no. E machine na quarantine wo de na.
Udi bani azene.
Peter kwase benza. Masa ma ayu e say.
Yeah, man, nyame de nkwa na ache na o mai se de si koi pa de on se wo ho ye kra ani je ni ho.
Okay.
Enti no bia no nyame ne da na ase.
All right.
Kro bi din ye da nyame. Ebre wo mu die si and nyame amage se wa wunim.
Bedan say mama call you Frida. Frida sapona jama Frida. E dey say
Nyamiado Mark now swear.
Nyamiado boko Adenta constituency bibi ekoso.
Oh Adenta Nyamiado Adenta constituency. Adenta fo nyina ho ye.
Yeah, go.
Omo enchiama.
Okay. Bedan o masepa.
Adenta MPP so ye ho ye.
Mo ho ye. E wo ho.
Ye executives ye ho ye.
Limited registration exercise mo di akire de.
Oh ye di.
Freedom mama say be free so far enoma etesen wo ho. Ye papa na etike. Ibia bibi wo ho na mo nte ase mo ni di akire etesen.
Oh, Adenta yeah, limited registration there. They made me I can say so far so good. Because bibia dane kwan so. Andra me fa ho. The atmosphere was serene. Yeah, there's discipline. Obi aye yeah, it be other places no munya challenges.
Challenging, but Adenta dey otum say
so far so good.
Bibia am afa to Santina nipa bi ni challenge bia akogina ho ache me ba ho ma che na me ba ye.
Baby. And na cry me sign for ho as at 5:30 na ehwa empty. Yeah.
Okay. But with general overview, if a registration process is near question, how
oh, my Jerry on say machines any the juma. And a machines so they definitely any man I sign the fat and from him said the na papa is can. Bibia would the farm from him no challenges, network and a friend says slow pace of a wo. Yeah, computers near ye yeah, Juma Crow office. One day over Bible to me who said Obesona and so. Meanwhile, the day before we coffee, na yeah, Juma fine. And me some of these things they are not ensure that any. The only thing is that we yeah or plan A. You should do a backup or plan B. What is the mention so that if the unfortunate happens or plan A, so then you quickly fall on plan B. And that's exactly what Electoral Commission or my so the manual one is going on well.
Okay.
I don't think there's any problem.
There is any problem on it. Okay, good.
But we don't have it like manual registration.
But
because manual one on there, those that yes, but it's a BBA machine by keying.
You still queue in your bank data. Okay, good.
Answer because yana on me maybe so. Person will be some question. Mama say, I didn't know more power. Defend Electoral Commission. No more power.
No more position.
And be no more power. Only Diana. Maybe that will come among for you.
Empty. Wait, question where the Yamana babies are one of babies. Why it's a blue one, they are very co-host. No baby mom. Where's my Jerry? Me changing me ding. Say to Prince. Okay, it is said so a person changing it into a better. Peter. Brana Monso.
Major say.
And this for Mose Adena Mosomo.
Major.
Yes, sir.
Mama fa kwenyaso.
Dia me pesa wo ye ne say ground roots. Sisi your how no so. Na anu ye bi wo ha. Anu ye bi wo ho ye de on fa ma.
Pa. Eboni nyina.
Good. Yanko.
Major, mama fa kwenyaso. Na me chia Ghana for waje bre na wo tie. The porch light. Light ni ya to Ghana for bi fie bi amdam. me kama chiro because ebere e wo munye wa hu eti kanafo say yes sorry na ja yetin ewuradua wo mo pese wo mo tinsem a at least and some are ye cano we are empathizing with their situation. I am telling you eti yencha Ghana for yencha ndisi mpanifo yewura Samuel ofosu ampofo ye chama 1 ene nwumere ye de nchia sonko ema no wadwuma so a oyema party no da ye beka kire ne se nyame a odi na chie a ohu na wo frɛ no se onye nyame adwuma no nsa anye amanya adwuma no sa nyame ne di na chi ntimo nsuro nkunimdie be ne dia 2020 se president Kufuor pewu se won pewu Ghana for wadi Ghana for nyambo enti Ghana for has already rejected President Kufuor already. That one is a fact. Na menchi ampen fam no machia electoral commission no fa mesre no pa ontemase but because me be kasama the timamufuo no the feeling out there it want him as here na menchi amenu aba o dey be woni baby
timi ba be kunu
the edikan
e na ko me se o how
meba the edikan the electoral commission the chairperson ene ni deputies no sabio omo ya so boakere aswoden pa no ye yo mo isi ma menka say commission na ye de o makwakoto ano no omo ye adwuma matimamufo enti nsiseye bia omo de ba no omo hwe say na beboa timamufo no this limited registration ya ye enye ne first time aye limited registration that is number 1 over years ye limited registration how has been the norm how have been the process system aye form say ye limited registration say ye koye registration aye say one of the key thing aye ne say yama timamufu a waso ebere se wotuminya voter ID card no omunya access. How do we look at proximity? Ye wura beji atumi say over years na say can limited registration na first thing ye know the electoral areas he knows that because omanga na ni ewo mu no si enya kase ye kwasa line aye ye koto santen akoye bibia timamufu wotirimpo bi say line ten na ye kwakosan frustration ya de na wo
Peter mameka wonim say sense mu na wo court so wonim say wo court
me kind of popo sense mu na ben ko ni strip it me kase in the first place
there was an injunction court injunction electoral commission for yet na say atwen say mra no ebe kasa na mra no kasa na omo yi injunction free wo
isi
asobranche no ma ye na
omo beyi but go down to the district impring registration the ekosu sisi an say obe co district no line ten ya sign no yes machines no enya adwuma edu baby electoral commission and kasa no say or the online registration bebo any ye dey call ya can be say no yenya offline registration yemfa BVD no enya adwuma because anyone ye dey ya ebetimi capture obia kama electoral commission say there be da omo the online registration na no meye
but they gazetted they are working they have gazetted
and me say commission no e wo hoda dansa na ye ma me jemensa e baaye the system and structures kwanya ye fa so the electoral system in Ghana no it has been there over years
and for na mo nim say ye the BVR ne be
ye as the plan B yes suggest try mo say the BVD no the same thing. That's the device. So BVR device.
And BVR registration.
Offline registration because you system and one you are trying to centralize the thing. And to queue among for Babesa line 10 our district. And then you see at least electoral areas are. Say no ebasa ya sani mukama it is all koyano online registration ni kwampa nkebeboa there be wo say chenchira wo de district level na obey registration and you suggest here say and yenya offline registration wo say there be ye be your friend then online registration and then ye and now kwa Ashanti regional atuma imponua enu almost start here from an apart when you 5 p.m. almost win your registration
that was Enra
yes that was a whole district. I'm not focused on like 10 e could do anumere near to me nyari eduru baby electoral commission resorted to the offline system I suggest here say you because you are going to deal with technology. You don't know how the system will work, and already the place is going to be congested. And you said there be your electoral system now. Yeah, woman Ghana hano. So one show you now go prepare now the BBA bar. What dream move because when a year. But the practically no, and now the reality no will be far away from what you think. And in 24 what not in the because I pack ya dear. One person wouldn't need I pack. Mama no suggestions
are some we can yantra.
Oh, yantra say na metro say you susu yan nki fire. Huh?
Okay, now they have resorted to the BVR. So they say BVR romodi ye adwuma.
And no dey say o na o say ya gazette BB and say ni say. You see?
I said one more gazette says VMS ni failure. One be use BVR.
No, the electoral commission and the political parties were not aware say you use offline system. It was only at the your friend say constituency district level now. Problem about say you to use online system no. And no more pooling agent when you pooling agents they are just there to represent the party. Party has deployed pooling agents.
Maybe start this question. Your friend said Dr. Sribo Pamben so na after say ma gazette the processes are the ba be adwuma say amanyoko fo no hono. What is the process? E dey nti de be ma e bi amanyoko bi be ka say wo nya aware say na there will be a plan B so wo be use BVR. Na wo dey atro mo dey. Yeah,
no say e be use both offline and online. So you be
use offline and the online. And yes, suggest system use offline system no. The BVR no. Because I know at the end of the day no, they're going to have this challenge. That was the suggestion.
That is good. It's you draw the line. You draw the line very well. It's say momo suggestion yes say you VMS ni free work ra. Na you use BVR no nko
because that one
electoral commissioner gazette say one be use both
that one was not known to the political party. Say you be kwa use both the offline and the online system. And that is our problem now because the parties were not aware that way.
Okay. Now, no.
Every year, a drew wa. Omakunu said the na political parties. Ya dream chira ye chira say pay system no. See you use the offline system na nebe boying. Afia omakunu say ampa. Said ye na ye kan ye no kure no. Enko political parties na man say na problem say na hu. Enti at the end of the day ye nya no ko benkroma ye we are resorting to the offline system. And no political parties ni aware. Enti system also modi go in place to monitor the offline system. Name say ye. But we were not aware that way. So that has been our query.
Do you have any other challenge? Answer by my address.
Only baby.
Yeah.
And na me chere no. You see, idea we ya AC with this limited one no. You busa say the main focus ne say one more 18 years no any one more money voter ID card no munya access to this idea we are starting no we are going to discourage people from going to a whole center to go and register because what was life fit no palm na bo no num na no num no yentumi an capture nipa ba ko a at the end of the day etina this same situation no Ghana ni nim so kwa ko face enti kan ye kire say this is where we come back again say until make us a electoral commission on yaso then ye chiro mo say mo decentralize it na system na flexible say you flexible sometimes a system choke
Peter I'm getting you but a point na me person make me be a woman make it say watch a usage of say you be resort to a BVR and say am kind and say VMS say you my fine and maybe say no any other challenge
who
shooting bang
see me problem they said the most people are going to be discouraged. How are we going to resolve that?
Okay,
yes, more people are going to be discouraged to go to the centers because of this situation that has erupted. How are they going to educate the public? Say no, now we have resorted to this system into be amra you bet me register because can who say so come me ahafo a certificate south wa makacha say enkura bia say te say twapi asemo se yaso nkasem nkram krom omo baba hwediem enti ande obi fro ka free your friend say chapiase by ebesi nkankrum odu nkankrum ofa nkankrum ka besi nkasem odu nkasem ka odu ofa nkasem so ka eba hwediem no obe register ye obesan like odu anwumire 5 yentumi register no wasafro ka akotwa apiase dusan wo sesa nipa no adeti obesa ba hwediem so oba be registration. This is the problem we are talking of.
Dr. Srebo, ebra muhu say problem aba eye VMS no hono ye voter management systems no hono. No, delays be mu. Ana officers no training wo mo say mo kwana problem ne ba immediately one resort to the BVR because akwa say sabre no mo hu de no mo per report and saka.
Normally I mean person ne party for be banter.
Yeah, we dey banter. That is why I've been giving you direct questions.
Yeah. Obi a one chair no. But we are say more party colors is am wash.
Yeah.
Because we are who's the medical statement say more power different.
But we are media no answer.
But I'm be free no. Most of them go one way. Now I'm different.
That's it.
But the mechanic say me started adjustment in 95, electrical adjustment 95. My adjustment
yeah.
My adjustment was Central Region, my Upper West, my Shanti na mebedru ha. The ganka bi so no munya meka yo me say me adwuma me bia no e me me nyankopon tema.
Yeah.
And sabe and the mebedu the mebedu. What is it? Until that is it. But the better omu say yeah exercise. Mo so mo agency na ye no mo kom ye no mo ye adwuma no enkompreni da. Omuna omukọ monitor no na comments na dey ba bo say elections bo we are agent bia endorse kama
but later na lamentations were actually
and ye no police station ho no the me ka kama omina say omonti say some of these things no so you discredit your agents.
Okay.
Because me say nam to na mu say the course bia no ye okay na fi obi be ka say bia ma nyama yi a abeha me. That's what I only say and say, as far as we are concerned, or more afraid na you they knew what happened. On a daily basis, who we are open to end of day report. A be indicating number of people are saying na na party for no. It is a party be now we no homework here no. We exercise now no be say for this particular zone way, nipa say near because on a daily basis you have this returns. The mechanic say whatever has transpired, no, you say the benefit of the people say they will register, and now that's what we are doing.
Okay.
Until you can say no, you come on that stage, no. Now what is the way forward? The way forward is say we are using the BVRs whilst we are working to reinstate or to bring the VMS into order. That's what say BVR. The BVR will be working. Immediately there's a problem that you resort to the BVR. And we are convinced beyond every reasonable doubt to say you will be our qualifier piano, you be training. And they say you call let's uncle a blue ma into training the money. But election there's no registration and election now. Exactly. But we'll do our best.
There is this record 700,000. I'm not focusing more under projected a year figures because at least maybe Johnson is doing get no can over 1.5 million. Now most of 700,000.
The Americans say you go so. You hear what happens after 7th July.
Okay. And go back say be a situation where you overwhelming.
Oh, some say
depend upon projections.
Some say ya boy ho because say e dey okoye exams. Say exams wo dey obi su mi dey me secret amepe. Obi su see me dey better dey say me A no ya 100% A, unya 80% A. What is it?
Okay.
And the projection say you target
700,000. You say you 1 million and over. The
resources are there. There no problem. But them say yan share say e be we no.
Resources na mo na bet make it for how many
me na me in charge of logistics.
Yeah.
And I can say on authority say you know you have two forms. The call through machine na about from 1C. The budget for a project for 1.2
million.
But you experience that the project is 700. Until we can go up to 1.2 if the people are coming. But that form so for you then a producing gonna hear you. It is near me order say yam printer e chana menya mana tenu
and distribution in your challenge okay na e na mo detail mo e mo projection 700,000
no wona mkaze membete magundu a lot of issues
okay anyway okay mami ko Facebook me ba o e free and then the
end will justify the means
okay abusia it is yegusupa na Desifa Kwabena Samuel Anati. I say I registered 2012. But me ID no defense you. Okay, Desifa. ATM say one watch them say obetimi akwa ye bra obetu esika. We say where can we locate the locations? Obi message you. Or say where can we locate the locations? Okay, you know so yes, our electoral office be no ubisa. Baby electoral because mention be electoral commission office wo ho. Eti no now watch check. We say I'm watching you live. Be the free Germany. Jerry, please. But my budget, papa, chia, Dr. Serebo, so mame pa na midin the James Ota. Okay, James Ota. Uko school be at the toss. I want to be 1-5 toss. Toss here school be. 20 seconds. And because fans to toss so 4 man fans about. Wow. Okay. Because me kwana say message no my mistake. But one say it keeps on coming. Hey, toss. What to toss and him? What to toss and him? Oh, okay. I've been Matthias here. Where say me shamo live James Utana. Okay. Well, say please good evening. I want you to ask him for me that if I'm in Accra and I registered at Takoradi, but because of work I cannot go to Takoradi, please can I register a new voter's ID card? No. The answer is no. What register? Nyabotre, we better transfer. Minu nyina, me say me so me de. Eduru hwa ne nyina ya. The answer is no. We crowd them man no. Where say please? I paid 5 Ghana cedis, and I was told to go to head office, and I was directed to go back to Takoradi. Since the head office is in Accra, they should make everything for me to get my card right here. Okay, I don't know. Chire mu say sa wo card na yira. Na sa wo se wo ya foforo dia. Eje wo kɔ baabi a wodi kan twere wodin no. And the won't be to be a yedia mawanti. With Facebook messages in Amigusu American messages when you Facebook. We say it's a shame to a democracy and the Kufuor to say you handle electoral process like that. Okay. We also say Ghanaians might be realistic and speak the truth. It's not a proper way to do limited registration exercise. Jimensa is working for MPP and that one they send some winning Diana Moka. Where's the first time in the history of Ghana? Say Kufuor buying new registration. He said, yeah, Echo Suya, okay, Minia, made us a Facebook messages and I can be but my main call house and I mean share WhatsApp quickly and I mean just say, be a bahana, your money tell say you can't be now, your brain in chair, say you be a homanutum, let you for most of palm. All right. Messages you also about the other boy home and share. Well, say, Jerry, good evening. Doctor is more competent to be easy boss. I'm telling you. His explanation to your questions demonstrate clearly. Say, what bang papa. Only me Dr. Julius or the free London or senior go Israel. Dr. Julius or say so ye easy boss. When that's what we said that you baby easy chairperson. But anyway, it does it. Mukaila Jonah said, yeah, Eddie Frika. Also, Mark Jerry. Tell the NDC. Yeah. Or say, catch NDC for the woman, she say ongoing registration exercise, you know, it goes in their interest so that they don't blame Jane Mensa for their lose. So I will urge all those up to 18 years to go and register and vote for President Kufuor. But catch NDC for one more and so forth in India actually. So that when you vote for President Kufuor, you enjoy free SHS. Say no to JM. We more messenger. Peter's out there. When say NDC will always create problems, so Mark Jerry, they know they are losing 2020. That is why they are making noise. Thompson, Eddie Free Amasamai. Thompson, so Katos for no. I say, hey, I'm proud. Tosinian. Hey, Thompson Katos for no. Kwame Amwadi Free, Iron City Accra. I say, good evening, my brother and colleague, Dr. Kweku. Thanks for the thorough explanation and clearing the air around a lot of issues ongoing about the voters registration exercise. Congratulations to you. Good job. Tosinians, you know. Okay, message when so free. Are you Australia? You say. Osama Jerry beside Dr. Serebo say students are one more boarding school. Basically, they almost register. Australia has a winner 18 years and you don't need to go to anywhere. So we me through in straight away. Now they want a year secondary school. Me pacho I know baby. You say bisa ho.
The can say in Australia no election composed. the election registration is composed, but Ghana has compulsory. In the number of the area, or more schools, no, yana education organize it.
Okay.
Organize it, now they do quite will give you attention, no matter.
Okay.
But it's unfortunate for us. Who's the main target your mom first year or investors?
Okay.
I'm gonna work 18 blanket no mama quine. No, I'm not tension number from baby.
Right. Okay, Mate. Frida. So far, explanations are dog at my assessment.
Oh, my Jerry. As far as I'm concerned, dear, Doc, I explain the also what can be. Now, you know, NDC for now. Say, they want to cry wolf. That wolf, na kasa be piano. Na Ghana for you know, more friend and yamba. Say, the my brother see, ni, and the Yako has said, he said, dear, and crying. Ukunya registration center. This Oko Kumasi, but it's not like that. Obienim baby okwa also a day. Otimi eye ni registration. Yeah. Eti bro, yes Ramu. Muma let the institution work. Let's allow things to work. What BBI NC. Allow Jen. Say na musi per se. Your friends, your mami Charlotte say, oye ne juma no. Sa na mu allow. Your mami Jane mensa no so nye ne juma. Onye ne pepe. Say they also oye na no na oye. Me dey can say be. Also your plan A.
Yeah.
If the plan A doesn't work, she falls on, and I say electoral commission falls on plan B. That is ye call a bia. Uko ye transcribe the 2 pence na kwa na meboa. One can say pence now they call entro. But also me the 2 pence call in case back one ma no ma falling on the other. And that's exactly what friends say. Electoral commission it's yesterday this for almost ha o money. Nana me brother kasa no kasa na Ghana ye din na do dankwa disappointed enkrofo. Nana do dankwa dey president dey pa dey no why ya disappointed enkrofo. Me dey abema. Ye papa Nana do why adwuma o. Why adwuma na mumbo na baso.
Okay.
I mean me bia na kame dem percent ke dey atoto NDC 8 years ye ba ye say ni ye dey cancel na ye can social interventions o. No ya can dey NDC 8 years o ma ye ni ya can dey na now so ba ye 3 years why ye now how ye ho kire ye ho kire wo dai Nana do say sikana me dey ba no me mfa megu system ma mu nche ni kwa o me dey be free SHS me dey planting for food and job me dey be planting for export me dey ba revamp a friend is a factory say one district one factory and no Nana ese oba be ye and yes what this can ba be gumi say na sikana ba ni abegum ni a che ni edi na che say obi all for down there my brother yes na be ba why
okay. Peter better say yeah Peter
for doc there
yeah
why na juma as a public servant what church ni say mu I won't fault him in any way on the idea I was so ye no aye but leaders no on doc wo he leadership flow and say the be free top eba no e no implement
it's more
ye kire say top executive decisions are mo take here ne isusu so bonia eba no a failure on the side of the leadership because mania mo de mo reporters enko enkrampotem district ni enhwe timamu fo mo kwasa la ya
adenti na mo di 2 days pe
enye obi se yesi edwababa ifra no pa na ya passe ni first year tie ade a wabo hu dawuro na ya ka wo si da bi minimum sese ya medeba enti sika makoje na beso. And we believe Senka we best start in it shouldn't be from the start. And a problem say baba but day one system ni na breaki. What you be when it is a failure on the side of what Mami Jenensa. She should admit it. Okay. And she has been failing consistently. This is a year beyond deba. I was so by election the go see. Even your friend is referendum I with the waging question. She no so dey see here and consistently ne sise ya de ba ye kira den mpanifo a omonim de ewo oman no ya manyo semu ya bato nhise ye mu e kira adwena ma me ne se wonfa but the obekwa koye bia na at the end no e failure. That's what we are talking of here.
Doc, can't say me. Doc,
time. Yeah, my time.
Doc, my time. Say, adventura. A Ghana for chira yen and nam so ma womode a year 1,573 electoral areas. At the buy. It's a baby. Me chira was say
ye omodi as eyi no coin now high park timamufo nyina just me say electoral areas aya na ye limited registration over 6,000 dog enim over years adentina nei Mami Jane Manson na pound phone kwase yenye ne district base ama centralize there no at the end of the day you are disenfranchising Ghanaians also munya access to this voter ID card. That is what we are talking of. Last friends limited registration here we projected 1.5 million. Adentina nka ye koye ni ma population e wide no ukoye projection was 750. Why? Because you yourself, you know, sir, system now, what they banankasano, it is going to disenfranchise people.
Do you understand projections?
What do you mean?
What projections are saying? What projections is either say over hit target
based mostly in projection. My SRC treasure pen. So me draw me budget here. Most time we base on our projection based on previous year's budget. And to share the previous year, me budget is say how me TV say, and this year no things will change, and things will change, have to project high. And in terms of population, also we are growing. Okay. Our population is growing and I do to no more 18 years no so e come pacho me ba me de manu si almost so and to project this projection there e failure me mama for manu si say me nia ba me sra no ma won country entra anka Ghana border president go value bio the level of insecurity.
Okay, thank you very much. I need 100 points. Peter, maybe first one become material for Frida member final submission but mama ko material for so member yeah member mama ko ahoma no so na yenje yeti for so adwen kire it was so problem ben etie for mutie me ground rules na ne say munim say mo fra obia timi kana dwen kama but then no ye ne Dr. Sirbo or ye director electoral services limited registration exercise bibi wo ho apese ogubisa bibi wo ho ha bi wo ha wa fam madaroma mo me restricted to that na ye nhwe na ye hu ne pomesebre na ye nkoye nim ye papa medama say memo ajo
Injuso Magdali.
Bema na wudi ani baby akase free.
Nana say Belema.
Nana say yeti o yenko.
Magdali. Mami mo amuni ejuma pa ya mo Magdali. Nami se o man fe da ga jon ta me. Nami se o ma wo o ma mba be go. If you need question Mag, me constituency abem constituency. Na kuji wo abuchi ku. Over 95 months kan ko ho. Ansa no wa ba mo na plus so. Pa be pakka fla mo na plus so. Akọ ablem. And then what register and Sebi, Obia or Kojami, and Mamma Teden, Mako register, any pan. Would you be 95 months? As I ban me and maybe 18 years. But you have a lot of us had enough for a blame in and out as Abba. And then what could see a dance yam and say, make you Mediana. If you best show say, transportation, Sebea, electoral commission, on February because what is our parliament. I'm a proof man, won't find a day. Open church and for foreign transportation.
Okay. Madam, send what you in charge of the high need 100 points and I give for anyway, Majo. Yeah, Yamado Bocobema, you
Yo, Majeri, Mr. Wara Martin Luther Swatch incoming MP Ashamai. Oh, Majeri, share your challenges are your neck out and rat. Oko Adam station. And the whole day no nyinara from 7 to and you may 6 o'clock no in 29 penny to register. At the same time, they say MPP
but I was say according to office ben
you know
what's it constituency ben can what say me
Kaswa
Awutu Senya East okay
yeah and the whole day 29 in 29 and it will register and at the same time yen ya no MPP for so omo ye police agent no so wo ba na so wonti me nkatwi kasa omo allowed am ye register na me bisa say only a kind kasa nkwa na Ghana ha ye kana
okay but say one more allow me patrol process ni say nipa na allow ja no kofele challenge form edru kwa committee better na say nti no chema me cheba na wom
tie ayo frustrated mo nipa na basapa on me you know ebi abamu a small boy ebi 18 years now who be ye henya no a enye kwa no be twane akọ
okay anyway me pacho the woman is say Yeah. All right, me that's it. Okay, me that's it. But some way, you know, more can is the reason is challenge form ho. It is a dependent say on Ghana kasa into onye Ghana ni onye eligible. And when is your fellow challenge form at the end of the day, the committee ni betenase. Committee ni tenasia. Woman ebe you hear man say masa. Wo na wo say onye Ghana ni onka Ghana kasa. Ana onka akankasa. It is onka akankasa. Ichire mo bemba. At the end of the day, nipa ne sanu beka ni voters ID card say truly so Ghanaian na. Onye Ghanaian nso antwitwe mo beba. Iti anu de we nya de say de ntokwa se ntokwa ba na mo na mo pem ntokwa akọ. Wo to de bia mo yenwen ne yenka no kra ne fa nkyere mo. Se ntokwa ba wasa de we hu a mo na mo pem ntokwa akọ. And we are not ready for that. Iti munti anu ti na na ya gibre amakofa pani na ba betena ye nyina ye tototo o ma no kama. So de ase. Ma me nto aso majo. Enka unso ye tie o. Yanko enim.
Yo.
Odo yanko enim quickly ni yanko. Menya botre ma te said ya meso o mene. Wada Roma. Yanko.
Electoral commission mpanyimfo na nkasa waso ye because NDC raise issues there. Mo from my baba register one. Odo so papa. Now to think what was the 500,000 ten we go use. And then what were the 700,000. Yeah, mama you last for then. Because about one year to yeah, the year you didn't pay free. No one to above or many more Baba Siapo. After the day, I believe that sending message be about double registration, you know. Open one was enough. Well, one bank cry, one back nine. And China, one Baba Snow because of education now. National Commission, one government. I mean, you can't do that. Ghana, how when you will left and right for them, Yamano. I want to register. Want to run to Abba. Never be said there. The number that I know one. And that I know over the 5 years time. As an original to Abba. Well, if it's a Democrat, I don't know, maybe. If you hate you,
all right, that's it.
In the water friend, I have already do what is there. That problem in your that problem in your war.
Okay. Medan si odu ene wadwe nkyere. Meba to majo.
Angeli, mi do so.
Yeti obema.
If I me DFO.
Okay.
Na me chia bajo phone ma. Ani mi get files. Honorable. Mi chia papa. Man, what we say NDC propaganda no we yen. But dia we ko. We are na the program we yen. What we say NDC di fail see. Say electoral commission or sika no di fa bus ma kwala no ko register. Anuna
when I can ha
omo allegation say
was it when I can say electoral commission pe bus na on fanfo obi nko
kwa NDC kwala no fair about second kwala no fair za no card ya
sa
electoral commission pe sika na omo register parliament oni afia mbam
anyway we mean kaiser information
kabi ko baby say dia wo kanan mo kai na say ko form because Mageri ni say registration of we kwala na ko register ya tell say we MPP ni na we NDC but ye dey make come mo fa apan ka bia na bibia mo bia obi akasa ko register this is NDC this is proper mo ko ye dey mo be election mo be
okay medan say eno wadwe nkyere nye obi obelusu election ho asem ne ye ka meba to majo
ye mi kanu
majo yes sir
Magari na on to
na me adom ko me ho ye
na o panelist for no nyina mo ho ye
wa mo ho ye pa wa mu tie o
kan kira oba no say MPP ni chia no yie pa
you what what just why
Magari
yes sir
na pese una electoral commission man no oda so ho ana
otiga pa otiga okoi otiga enda me man ko me nyina na epon
kan chane say ye na nyakupo adum Magari atuna ba ye fie na last 2 weeks no me fie na me ba majima mu achimoda enti me bagi se wa nim say ye radio agiman me radio ne me phones me ID card me papers ni na wo bagi mu me chichiro moto su efrato nti malusu me ID card enti ne wo mu start no Mission Betty Makodi Lemo.
Bebajo wuntimi em say eno de ya kan one program na Masa me say minim dada men mama minim anyway Medasi obey you and why and no man be I was 7 central you man you na papa me better na wakansis iti mesro so why di card ayira kotua 5 series wo Ghana Commercial Bank na ko ba bia wo twuro wudin no omonya foforo mfa ma wo why iti wuntimi kotwo wudin bia me yes a double and as a multiple registration system be quarantine we wuntimi into about 2020 beba jo majo last caller.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Mark the Gary.
Yes man.
The what you know Juma power ya my Ghana. Me pacho Nigeria go out when I'm talking like one.
Za o dey you kabi za me boss we take kabi.
Na Nigeria go na mukina bongo phone. Mat pacho ipese buja Ghana police do macho mutinya mana.
Me pacho so my dey.
Macho mutinya mana.
One senior man.
It is one bubble.
Now when the casual say chairman of swamp of your senior man the Nigerians.
One leader.
David. Cratchit. So what when him says some will can be programs and men's so and NBC. Why? Oh evidence. And then Pacho evidence in Fakoma police for Mehan CID headquarters. Fakoma police for Medasi. Say wuku ready free, say wuku ayensuano. But say Facebook for anyway. I thought be as also much in the senior man. I say I urge all Ghanaians of voting age to fully participate in the ongoing industry assembly registration. And these Nigerians are growing so much. One more grow at Tamaya Wahanti, we have to be very careful on them. We say wuku ready free ayensuano. No the by me that's a anybody. Now, my main call me papa ona nsem bisa bi o said ya call us in by into we na me call ye Peter na Frida or final comments on the issue say
the make say multiple list no. Me diga ka say yes bi shin ba. Nti wa office one shade na odin ko ye double mu no. Ubako exhibition center no e be somewhere in September after we recession you be the oldest and better near the new ones abato so bianco hwendi na wo funso waye ndu wa office one shade na odin ko ye multiple no bekwa you go to object your name in the multiple list.
Okay,
if we are ebeko judge no ho na wa ko chira amache judge se bia sense ntemam din ko yemienu to judge na suma maka se vote din na ndeba
yo final
yeah me nua no se tia se ye na ye hu se changing government about Ghana several times.
Yeah.
Nti me ma dream there chairperson was one on your decided who should be
the president.
And I can assure you themselves by election now. Even that of election no na who play more role. Who can obey calculation at the and to chairperson in most cases one day and say Obana obey no announce. It remember say you be any homework ye. Na nja say smesi no emboy inara.
Okay.
Because time biana change government by no what happened. Na me question na me kind of person obi say
Peter munyi na no answer wa soro kwa the time na so o say adentina say mo wo aban mu a electoral commission mo ne to say didi mo bo opposition na mo ka say tia adentina
onim bibi enya say o aban mu a onim say over years no afari jan NDC ye president at some point na hihye ye bia ode eba no na ya na ye ka ho asem tie ade no ye de omukotena ho se omunye nsese ya ebeboa oman no any political parties no nyina so ano be ko benkurum e ma mi Jane Mensa owo sisi ano in the first place unim so ye wa ban mu kramponi ene no problem ya ne appointment na ya kasati as ma mi or ye skewed against the NDC enti ye nim dada oni kunu agye tum so ye MPP ni enti in the first place ya didn't be ni kunu so ye MPP ni ni kunu so ye MPP ni ni kunu ankasa ye MPP ni and o se ne yire ye MPP ni na ye den na mo wa fa enti puton kunu hwegum nyanya gwanse krom na ekọ enti ma me ne de eno ne ene wo problem and was up by and at least and Quanians say ya at least you don't so near won't see any problem but necessary any problem. Mammy and I'm to be a war to piano and why electoral system no and my electoral system I may be beacon of democracy in the moon. Say you say you first elect limited registration. Not the day limited registration when you know you call the first day. This major problem any face. This is a failure. My J, I dear Bako was you say a brand woman. I want you to know you be back to the actor in Crodron and a year in Melwood Dukra woman. And so Wafaka and to me echo drew your friend and saying district registration center. No kosa line ya kodu anumere na want to be your registration. At the year was said the baby at the end of the day the person is going to be discouraged. So Konya Ghana your friend saying voter ID card of which it shouldn't be because the purpose they say you remember obia when you 18 years and obia when your ID card you access to that card. Na sense say ya di gwa kwamu na e disenfranchise sa timamu fo no want to be access to this card. And no dear and kaya dance here this is Kapudo Equaco Radio Museum Finance. And to shining it's a failure on the side of the chairperson and then or your mammy Denansa. And then I can't because it's a motive.
Frida. Most of the time, I said the electoral commission baby. I could you,
my Jerry and Tessa. Yeah, Papa for John. When I appointed no. But one time,
it depends.
Ex-president for buy. Only the Juma fine. Am I Bonabaso? Yeah, mammy, your friend said Charlotte say. Oh, NDC for a year maybe to say. Yeah, mammy Charlotte say no. MPP for the deep problem question no con. Why and the started the issues a court? Yeah, mammy and the court. It is a court your friends a ruling no a boabo or one casadia. Then you did also blame me NPP. Na uni my dear. Yeah. Me brother Kasano said the incredible no was it there? I also be hey.
Maneka Kasa Maneka. Oh, David Frida Kasa off Kasa.
Don't disrupt all Kasa me edio. Majari minimio.
Peter Maneka.
Majari. Oh, yeah. Majari dia oya no minimio.
Frida
meti me ya broso.
Frida
me microphone crafting anim.
Frida Kasa meti.
Yeah. Ya mami Jinmen Sabai. Eden na waye. Oni my dear, NDC ayo oma dwene say oni ya papa kan say bi and it's a point on me dear me putting it down. Me bi sound say ye maami Jane Mensa ono nko na ye easy. And I say easy institution. The NDC for aboponi say they want to take this woman to the cleaners. And no one person me to usha ye papa bet na for over 1 hour. What Massa?
Frida.
He is disrupting me. He's disrupting me.
Oh, Peter. Frida for any senior. Frida for any senior. Yeah.
Idea of what your friend say, honorable of a swamp for elder person. Can't say Yanya Mamino, Yantete Mamino, young Chrono, and no person. It's your papa cry easy as an institution. No, Zen men said dinner, what, Edia, why? Shall Obia and Charlotte Sashi, Obia and Charlotte, or no one, Obia and Charlotte Sashi, then journalist. What about Charlotte Mensa? Any easy program. Charlotte Mensa. What brought about the program? A problem. Okay. I know not the court. I know not an assistant. The deputies are court. But say you are here. I know not the court. And the Buba so not gonna for refugee. Woman, what is that? Hey, that woman has credibility. You can't destroy her.
Frida. Okay, no.
It's a failure.
Madam say, Madam say, how you need 100 points? You may be a witty, torchlight, yeah, the bro, neat Casa video, so another any over the beer. ejana so na den no eye me de say bitimi ne eye Dr. Serebo e sha se na me messages na ba no so no me feedback amenya de dia dance pa say interview amene Dr. Dr. Serebo ye no amanfo anya ntiase ye papa wo eye limited registration exercise na e course no mo Dr. Serebo oye director electoral services said the electoral commission doc ye da se papa nyame hira eti abrepam ye no be koso ana ye no kasa say na ofida doc ye ebrano me producers no be di nkomo na ya twa say answer na within days aka wo ye no me de betwe very good ye da se nyakobo hira papa nyame hira and what say aye Frida Sapon Ajiman Frida aye member MPP at Dentine constituency Frida enso Baba Jose police station executive Baba police station we no kwa where Vineyard C yeah police station executive or your police station secretary aye Vineyard C ewa Dentine constituency what aye Frida Ajiman enso enka and Peter Akwasi Mensa Peter enso aye member NDC wo national communication team Peter enso eba beka ye ho ewa ha say na messages ne so the MC tell mo do bibia se mo share on Facebook ya da mase papa nyakopo nhira mo na brepam yawada ya be say share torchlight ya de brada na yawada ya so torch na no den keke mo de say ye be share nyame nhiro bibi
Utie Oha Extra Punk no Needs FM